corus calamus is a hygrophytic aromatic plant which loves the swamps. It may be collected from the banks of rivers or streams. The underground stem or rhizome is succulent and yellow on the inside. The leaves are grass-like, about 20 to 60 cm long and lush green in color. The inflorescence, a curved spadix, is made up of a cluster of tiny flowers borne midway up a stalk. Medicinal use. 1. Expelling gases, flatulence and griping pains from the stomach and bowels. 2. Promotes menstrual flow. 3. Reduces or eliminates fever. 4. Calms nervous excitements. 5. For causing vomiting. 6. Asthma, diarrhea and chronic dysentery. 7. For giving the body tone and vitality. 8. Promotes the removal of mucous secretions from the bronchial tubes. 9. Against fungal skin ailments and scabies. 10. Relieving rheumatic pains and epilepsy. 11. A good mosquito repellent. How to use. 1. The decoction of the rhizome is used to cause vomiting. It is also used for asthma, diarrhea and chronic dysentery. 2. The infusion of the rhizome can be used for giving the body tone and vitality and for the removal of mucous secretions from the bronchial tubes. 3. The powder of the dry rhizome mixed with castor oil is used externally for fungal skin ailments and scabies. 4. The crushed rhizome is applied on the area affected by rheumatism. 5. The powdered rhizome mixed with honey is taken internally for epilepsy. 6. Keeping potted plants on your veranda and indoors can keep mosquitoes away. Parts used: the underground stem or rhizome,